The Tentbox Lite is our entry-level model. At 50 kilograms, it's the lightest in our range, meaning it will fit on even the smallest 3-door cars. It comes with a fitted foam mattress big enough for 2, a ladder, and even has a skylight. It has a manual opening system, which does mean it takes longer to set up than our other models, the Classic and the Cargo. However, once you get the hang of it, this can be done in 5 minutes. To open it, you need to undo the straps, remove the outer cover, use the ladder to fold it out, and then insert 8 poles to hold open the outer hood. Unlike our other models, you can't keep your bedding inside when it's closed down. So just bear this in mind, as you'll need to save space in your car. There are 4 windows all the way round, and each window comes with an additional fly mesh layer. The build quality is exactly what you'd expect from Tentbox. The stainless steel and aluminium framework is wrapped in a high quality waterproof canvas, and it comes complete with a hard-wearing waterproof PVC cover. It's rated to take 200 kilograms of internal load, and the weight on the overhang is supported by a combination of the interlocking hinge, the large steel brackets, and the ladder. Everything you need to install the Tentbox Lite comes included in the box. You just need a set of roof bars. Check out our How It Works page for more information on this. Also included in the price is our 2-person delivery service and our standard 5 years extended warranty. Don't forget to check out our 5-star reviews on Trustpilot, as well as our finance options. As always, if you have any questions at all, just contact our team, as we'd love to hear from you.